Entered the day trading and trying to learn how to scalp and take signals in the market, and you just don't know where to go and you're learning price action, I highly suggest getting the Firestorm indicators, because not only do I teach complete beginner clients and advanced traders on how they can scalp the market successfully with a high win rate, but I also created indicators that will give you an accuracy meter on every single chart. So here is S&P on the 5-minute chart, and here is YM. It's basically US30. That's what it is. But I know for futures terms, that's what you guys call it, or Dow. And this is the Firestorm indicator, and this is the Firestorm FX 3.0, and this is Firestorm Momentum. If you don't know, Firestorm Momentum is 31 of the most popular strategies, so you don't have to have a bunch of oscillators, pivot points, and moving averages on your chart, just cluttering up everything. We like to keep our charts super clean, straight to the point, and simple. So when we mark up things like our own trend lines for breakouts and such, we know that it's a very clean chart, not cluttered with EMAs and VWAPs and all sorts of stuff everywhere. So to get straight to the point, this is the 5-minute chart on both. And we had a signal called out this morning on our live stream. So I live stream every single morning trading Nasdaq. So NQ. And I pull up ES and US30 and I show where the market is going, because usually where one goes, the other will follow. And where gold goes, if gold goes and takes a deep dive, usually that means the stock market and everything is going to go up, and vice versa. But besides the point, this is a great way you can navigate all-time highs. So even though it's great for any other time of trading, all-time highs, you don't know where the market is going. You don't know where the next market structure is. You don't know where the next anything is unless you have some pivot points pulled up, which pivot points are super helpful. But you'll notice that these indicators will line up with volume, order flow, delta footprints, and many other different styles with breakup structures. And this indicator comes with an accuracy meter. So on any single chart you go to, there's an accuracy meter that changes for every single chart. So as you can see right here, we had a 15-minute signal this morning. We had a 5-minute signal. I'm sure we had a 10-minute signal as well. Just waiting for it to load. There you go. And we had a sell signal over here. You see how they're different? They're different because it goes by the strength. So it's not just your typical trading algo that you see out there that gives you a signal and it's just the same take profit 1 and 2 and the same stop loss every single time, and that's just what it is. This is geared to flow with the market. So if there's lots of momentum and there's lots of room for movement and there's enough buyers and sellers in the market to make it move, it will make the signal a lot bigger. And if there's less sellers and less buyers in the market, it will make the signal smaller. It will work with what is given in the market, not just give a random signal because conditions were met and we're going to hope it hits those take profits. That's why we have an accuracy meter. And believe it or not, for the past 4 years of Firestorm being around, we are still the only company with an accuracy meter on all of our charts. So that just says something. No one else has done it. I figured everybody would catch on by now, but I guess not. And I absolutely love using the Firestorm indicators for all-time highs. So all-time highs were on NQ this morning. Right now, we are not at all-time highs yet on US30 and on ES, but these were beautiful signals that were called out this morning. I mean, you tell me. I think they're absolutely great. And they gave a great representation of where the take profits would be. They adjusted as they should. The settings, you can adjust it to pull the break in even if you want to. So when it hits take profit 1, it will pull the break even. You can automate these signals if you want to. And I use them for futures. I use them for Forex. You can use them for crypto. I have lots of clients that use them for cryptocurrency and futures trading mostly. Forex, I still use it for Forex because I have other Forex brokers that I still use and keep. But when I'm trading futures. And I can tell you these indicators have been a game changer for beginner clients and clients that have been trading for years, but want to see where the market is going and know that wow, well, I see a break of structure here. I am thinking about entering, but now I just got a signal that's 83% accurate of telling me we're going up here. How much more confident would you feel getting into a trade knowing that you just got a signal that's 83% accurate? You would take that signal a lot quicker than if you were just like, well, let's see where it goes. We're not obviously shorting all-time highs. We're buying all-time highs. And we know where the market is going because we have order flow and we have Firestorm momentum giving us that strong 78%, 71%, 81% signal telling us this is where the market's going. There's no reason to be shorting. We should be buying. So it just gives that nice, clear confirmation of where the market is moving. So as a beginner, this is a great tool. I've spoken to over 2,000 clients of mine, and they have all said similar things where they absolutely love the indicators because it helps with all-time highs. It helps with market structure. It helps them with their confidence in trading. I have beginners that don't even know anything about trading, and they make money because of these signals. They just take it to take profit one because the indicator says so. That's obviously up to you if you want to do that, but I have lots of clients that do that, and they've been able to pull out thousands of dollars, let's just say. So with that being said, if you go to my Instagram at Firestorm Trading, you will see thousands of client results that I've posted over the years in our highlights. I post in our highlights every single day what our clients do with the trading robots and with the indicators. And I also post about ways that I get into the market. All my replays, my live stream replays are posted on our YouTube channel at Katrina Trades. So make sure you subscribe and you get the alerts every day for our uploads. Today, I unfortunately forgot to record. So here I am recording a recap video. So I had a recap video from earlier. This is another video because a lot of people were asking me what ES and US30 were doing. And I did call out these inside of the live stream as well. So if you're wanting to trade all three, I do look at all three and I do call out the signals that come about in those areas. So I will see you on the other side. Hopefully you join us and be a part of Firestorm. We have a live trading community every single morning, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. And then we also have our trading community chat that you could be a part of and our step-by-step training, teaching you Forex, teaching you binary options because I'm mainly a binary options trader, and teaching you tons of futures information as well. So if you want to learn multiple different styles of trading and you want to learn how to efficiently become a scalper instead of holding these long-term trades, Firestorm would be the best place for you. And I would love to have you a part of the community and talk to you one-on-one directly, and see you on the other side.